StreamUps.com, create an account, log in if you've got one, and then once you're in, come over to cameras. So from here you create your room. So you want to edit first to begin with. So smash yourself a room name, different room types in terms of what it looks like. Is room active, video resolution, enable video by default, enable audio by default. Obviously you don't have to have everyone on camera if they don't want it. Some different things with, like, if someone's talking, the highlight colour, do you want that on the overlay? I like to keep it off on the overlay. Save changes, and then you can configure layout, which you can also get to from the configure option here. So you got two options, you got desktop and you got mobile. So we'll configure desktop for this one. So host numero uno, stick you up there. Number 2. Let's get that. It's got a little snappy feature, so you can have them side by side. Dynamic positioning, so then it'll fill 1. Obviously, I would be the host, so I'd be 1, and then guest on there. And then it's just a case of copying these, so you can add more cameras if you plan on having more guests. And the benefit of this is that they're not always there. So if you add it as the overlay, excuse me, then they don't turn up, then you're all good, really. Doesn't really matter. So host, etc. Save layout, and then you've got your desktop overlay, and then you've got your normal. So I'll get the desktop one first. So add it as a browser, cams. Smash that. Width 80. $19.20. 1080. So fill it up, because obviously the preview that you building it against is like a full screen like that. If you want it smaller, no one's going to stop you. So that just sits like that then. So you just keep it layered wherever you're going to be. So I'm going to bring it down. So cams will sit under the chat. And then copy of the join URL. And there we go. So that is me. Load of shit in the corner. And then you can email these as well, email these links. So if we look at our overlay, there we go. So I can position my chat now a bit more there. So then if we have somebody join, this should use my same camera. So person 3 joins. So no feedback. Just mute on both ends. There we go. And then there you go, there's your 2 cams, and then obviously we've got a third. Let's join again. Mute that little bitch. And there we go. Slacking a little bit there, but there we go. And then all 3 of us are in the same room, and obviously then you can have more. And you're good to go.